fire right now.
Okay.
Hi, how are you, sir?
Good. My name's Dan Dingman.
Want to go see? Sure, sir.
Engine 54, engine 57, engine 56, engine 50, truck 35, battalion 28, battalion 18, medic rescue 31. Structure 943 Flynn Road, crossroad via Pescador, Command 5.
Zone 1, channel.
Oh, we totally got this chase. Nice. Really nice. Sycamore down to Royal, right on Royal. Okay. You have a hydrant off your rear, okay, on the corner, opposite side of the street, okay? Make sure your radios are off, please. I got heavy smoke showing. Nice. That's smoke showing. Ventura, medic engine 136.
Medic engine 136, good.
Give me a working upgrade.
Medic engine 136, your traffic is broken over here.
Give me a working upgrade.
Check up, medic engine 136.
Right on Royal. Engine 41, medic engine 136. Go down to Haven and make a right. It'll be your second right, I believe. Hey, I'll go ahead and hold fire attack on this. Go ahead and just stretch a second line off my engine and then make entry with my firefighter.
41, copy.
Should be your next right. Okay. Slow down. Should be right here, bud. Yeah. Be on left-hand side, 1273. Chris, engine 3/4 line. Knock down what you can. If you got anything showing, get set up, make entry. Your hydrant's right there, Chase. Got fire showing right there. Ventura, medic engine 136.
Coming up. Medic engine 136, good.
I'm on scene of a 2-story residential home with a comp roof. I got a good fire showing. Looks like Bravo Charlie corner from the second floor. This will be a working fire. 136 does have command. We're going to be stretching in 3/4 line, getting set up to make entry. I'm going to hold fire attack. Engine 41, make sure your engineer assists engineer 136. He's stretching 4-inch off the rear and then pull an additional line.
41, copy.